Tama lang yan. Gagamitin nyo lang sila. Mainstream media. Kuha lang talaga ng ay nako mga mainstream media. Mabuti pa yung social media. Kasi maganda social media dahil walang bias. At saka yun si Gretchen walang bias yun. Pero ito, ABS-CBN, bias talaga to. So anyway, baka nagbago na. Good luck.
Mga we are not paid by
Yes,
the
yes, ma'am.
Marcos.
No.
Yeah, we are here to sympathize. We are from Belgium, Germany, and
Oh, nice. Liban ba kayo?
Germany with our own money.
Our reporter from ako rin, taga-ABS-CBN, Zen Hernandez po.
Sen Hernandez.
She's also reporting, taga dito
I'm
sa
an
Netherlands.
ex-mayor of Kabakan.
Talaga?
I'm a two-termer.
Baka
My
pwede kayong tumayo sa
husband
likod
is
niya.
also a mayor.
hindi.
And
Gagamitin niyo lang kami eh.
Bakit
Against
naman?
naman kayo kay Duterte, di ba?
Oo.
Against kayo.
Si Cesar
Yes.
Loren, she tried to check the health of our president. He's an 80 years old by March 28.
So pwede nga po,
He was
diba?
kidnapped in the Philippines.
Oo. Kasi parang we will mention na nandito yung supporters. Sa totoo lang, syempre may magsasabi na hindi pinapakita ang supporters now. We're showing people.
Yeah.
That's what
You
we're
can
looking
show
for.
us that we are not paid.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And he's my husband.
Are you married to
Yeah.
Yeah.
We married at the niya.
From the Philippines. Yeah,
Yeah.
over here.
Kanina lang sis, oh. Sis, kanina lang, oh,